In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the you can't send friend request on Facebook. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open Facebook application. So take note that there are times that you really can't send a friend request, maybe because the person you want to send a friend request to is a big personality. So for example, let's just search for Mark Zuckerberg. And as you can see, there is no friend request option or add friend option right here. But sometimes there are some people that doesn't have the add friend option too. So for example, let's search for this person. There is no add friend option here too, but we can still add this person as a friend by tapping on the three dots icon just beside the message icon. So you should see a add friend option right here. So if you still can't see an add friend option right here, just like I did, this is because this person has edited their privacy settings. So to add this person, you might want to message him or her directly and ask him for you to add him as a friend. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.